POCO has done it again, bringing flagship-like features to a budget price point. Meet the all-new POCO M7 Pro 5G, a device that is not about specs but real-world performance and smart design choices. Whether you are a gamer, binge watcher or camera lover, this one packs a punch in more ways than one. In the box, you get the usual paperwork, a protective case, a 45-watt turbocharger, a USB Type-A to Type-C cable, and the device itself. POCO keeping things practical and user-first as always. The 6.67-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display is easily one of the best you will find in this segment. Vibrant, sharp, incredibly smooth thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate. It's also certified for eye care, so your binge session wouldn't leave your eyes begging for mercy. And don't worry about using it outdoors. It gets bright enough for direct sunlight, making it a dependable screen for any setting. Under the hood, the POCO M7 Pro 5G runs on MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra, a 6nm 5G processor designed for high-efficiency performance. Whether you are gaming on Genshin Impact or Asphalt Legends, multitasking or editing videos, the device delivers a stable and fluid experience with optimized thermals. With a massive 5110 mAh battery, the phone goes the distance, easily lasting through a full day of gaming, streaming and work. And when it's time to juice up, the 45-watt turbocharging gets you back to the 100% in no time. Audio also gets an upgrade. With dual stereo speakers tuned by Dolby Atmos, expect immersive, balanced sound whether you are watching videos or playing games. Here is a demo. And yes, POCO didn't forget about durability. The M7 Pro 5G is rated IP64 for dust and water resistance, making it even more rugged for everyday use. On the back, the phone has a 50MP Sony sensor with OIS. It shows sharper low-light shots, better motion handling, and stabilized video, even in tricky conditions. It also supports optical grade 2x zoom, great for portraits and street shots. The front camera also holds up well for selfies and video calls. It runs on HyperOS, offering a clean interface with essential Google services and POCO's enhancement. You will also find a fingerprint sensor under the display, expandable storage, and the return of the legendary 3.5mm headphone jack. Yes, it's still here for the fans. So what's the verdict? The POCO M7 Pro 5G might just be one of the most well-rounded budget 5G phones of 2025. A flagship-grade AMOLED display, a capable Dimensity 7025 Ultra chipset, a Sony-powered OIS camera, and turbocharging, all wrapped in a sturdy, stylish frame. Let me know what do you think about the M7 Pro 5G in the comments below. Would you pick this over other budget 5G phones? Smash that like button if you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Until next time, take care, stay safe and keep exploring.